What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're previewing the Air Jordan Retros for summer 2019. Let's take a look. Now, summer is broken down into April, May, and June, and there's a whole schedule of footwear releases coming, so you better get ready. There's original colorways returning, there's that really popular Air Jordan 1 collaboration with Nike SB, a whole bunch of Air Jordan 1s as it is, recurring themes around Michael Jordan's championships. We have past PEs of Jordan athletes coming back for the first time, and FLYKNIT makes its very triumphant return to an Air Jordan Retro. So before we get into all that, of course, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook at Sneaker News. And of course, check out our YouTube page, which is also Sneaker News. If you do need up-to-date release information on Air Jordans, just check sneakernews.com and make sure you check out our Jordan release dates page. So without further ado, let's just go right into it. So first up, dropping on April 6th for $190, it's the return of the Air Jordan 14 in the original white varsity red colorway. Next up, it's an Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in a crimson tint, black pebble leather with this light pink tone, dropping April 13th for $160. Next up is another Air Jordan 1. This one's a women's exclusive. It's a white with a black furry upper, nicknamed the Panda, and it's $160, dropping on the 26th. Next up, we have the return of the cap and gown. It's the Air Jordan 13 Retro with a premium black suede and patent leather. Expect these on April 27th for $200. Next up, we have the Air Jordan 1 Nike SB collab. This one has a Lakers purple and yellow that rubs away to reveal a Chicago. And there's a second one in white and black, which rubs away, revealing a pink. Both released on May 25th for $175 and are set to be pretty limited. The Air Jordan 7 Ray Allen PE is actually inspired by one of the first PEs that Ray Allen wore. This one drops on June 1st for $190. On June 8th, Jordan Brand will release the Air Jordan Reflections of a Championship pack. It starts with the Air Jordan 6 Infrared with a fully reflective upper for $225. It's then followed by an Air Jordan 7 in the original Cardinal colorway, also with a fully reflective upper. This drops June 8th for $225. And finally, rounding out the three-peat is the Air Jordan 8 Retro in the original Bugs Bunny colorway with a full reflective upper, dropping on June 8th for $225. So for the first time ever, FLYKNIT appears in the Air Jordan 4. On June 14th, 4 different colorways were released specifically in 4 different regions for a price of $220. The Air Jordan 14 Ferrari also returns with a yellow leather upper inspired by one of the most iconic colorways of the Ferrari 550M, June 22nd for $200. Another Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG is confirmed for June 29th. This one is a black, red, and white, a simple take on a classic Chicago Bulls theme. So there you have it. That's the Air Jordan Retro preview for summer 2019. Of course, keep in mind Jordan Brand can surprise us with more quick strike and collaboration type releases, but for the most part, this is what's dropping in April, May, and June. Be sure to follow us on Sneaker News, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and of course, check sneakernews.com for any Jordan release date updates. Thanks for watching.